Teddy! Ready, Freddy Teddy! Ready, Freddy Teddy!
Are you following me?
Are you ready, Teddy? My guy.
What's up, man?
How you doing today,
I'm
man?
Good. Yeah, I got my buddy Sence Sei here today. He's a funny guy, real nice man. He's good for his word and his money. I've got a Model A back in the back that's a pretty darn nice old car. It's real drivable, pretty automobile. He's got his eye on it. If he's fair, I'll let him have it.
I've been doing music for a really long time out here in Miami. Sold a lot of CDs on South Beach. I'm kind of a fixture out here when it comes to the music scene. People know who I am. I am actually looking for a blue Ford Model A, the essential car of what a rat rod came from. That's what it looks like before they strip it down and try to make it look different and all that stuff. This is the complete car of most of the popular rat rods.
I'll give him a good deal. I like him. He's a really cool guy. We'll get it done. He doesn't come here to play.
What do you mean you don't like Flyami, Ted?
This is doo-wop, bro. This is my doo-wop shop. This is it.
So I'm gonna act like I'm listening to not doo-wop and just keep playing Flyami.
You want to talk cars? You want to talk music?
I want to talk cars, but the first thing I'm gonna say is please don't offer me this price right here, Ted.
18.5 is reasonable.
Come on,
Check
man.
it out. You're gonna keep it original, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna rat this one out. I'm gonna leave it exactly the same as it is. I've looked at this car 1,000 times, Ted, so I know there's nothing wrong with it. My problem is I can't do 18.5. Let me give you, can I give you 14 and a half?
You're wasting my time, brother.
So
You're close.
So where are you thinking? How many times have we done this, Ted?
I didn't price this car high. 18 grand. I'll knock a nickel off.
I don't even like change. Ted's definitely playing right now. Well, let me back up. Ted is not playing, because if I get this car and I pay him 18, he's definitely gonna take it. Honestly, I think my top number on this car is gonna be right around 16 and a half, 17, pushing it. I would love to get it for 16 though.
I think Sence is gonna buy the car. He's serious as a heart attack about it. I think if he beats me up, I'd probably drop 1,000. I think it's gonna be fine.
I'll jump up. I'll give you a real legit offer, 16 and a half. Let's do it.
17 grand, it's your car. And you're happy.
Can I take you to my favorite watering hole and you have to listen to my music for an hour straight the whole way there? And I'll listen to some doo-wop.
Ooh, but you might like it. It's the roots of rock and roll.
I never said that I wouldn't like it. I'm open for anything,
Here we
Ted.
go.
Look, now we're getting somewhere.
All right, listen.
This is the 1,000th time we did this, Ted.
I don't want to go back and forth with you. I respect you too
Ted.
much.
I'm tired.
17 grand and you own it and we're done and let's call it a day.
17 grand, hour of my music, you gotta listen to my favorite watering hole, and then you take me to go listen to some doo-wop.
Done
Deal?
Done deal.
My guy.
17 grand, it's your car.
I love his car.
You'd have paid 18.
I would have.
You would have. I know you would.
You would have took 16,
Yeah,
but that's not the
But
best.
you know what? You bought enough cars, you deserved a break. I promised I'd listen to his music. I think he won't notice if I have earplugs in. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I'm happy. Sensei's happy. It's all good. Deal's done.
Honestly, the deals we make is not even really about the money. It's really a sport with me and him. That's how I feel. Like, we kind of beat each other up about stuff, and then we come to an agreement, and then we remain friends throughout it, so it's really cool. We do a lot of deals, so it's not the last time I'm gonna see him.
My friend Sence Sei wanted to do a music video here. He said, who to use to produce it? I said, my buddy Kevin. So we called Kevin Layne and he came down. We're ready to rock.
I started right around the beginnings of MTV, and then I went on to start doing and directing and shooting music videos myself.
You know, a lot of people come in all walks of life, but lots of music people, lots of video people, film people, cars and girls and music, all meshes into one. It's great stuff, it's fun.
The PA does have all the fun going around the lot, looking at all the cool cars, and then hopefully sending me and or somebody like myself pictures of these cars to choose from. But every time it actually shows up for the first time and you see it, whether it's a Lamborghini, it's a Corvette, it's a Ferrari, you know, whatever it is, it's awesome. And I always, the first thing that I do, I say, I need to sit in the car. I need to sit in the car before we shoot anything. And I get a, you know, kind of nice feel for that.
Classic cars attract a little bit of everybody, from entertainment to athletics to regular guys to women. It attracts everybody. You know, it's what we grew up with. It's fun. It's our lives. It's our history. You know, in the last 24 hours, I've had Kevin Layne, the music director, Steve Alamo, the music singer and producer. That's all in a day, man. That's just great stuff.
When you've got music, you've got beautiful women, and you've got classic cars, makes a director's life a beautiful thing. I guess it's time to start the rolling.
You know, they want me to be involved with the production crew, but I'm an in front of the camera kind of guy. I'm not behind the camera. I got no interest in that.
I do hear that Ted has some major contacts in this production, so maybe he might be able to work his way onto this set.